Alright, this is the second set of Jenok wiper blades I've got. Put them on the other car, so I thought I'd do a quick video review since they've turned up. I've put them on the new car. So just open the box here. Just the old Stanley knife. They're well taped, as you can see. Got it. Right, yeah. So I've ordered a front rear set. I'll just do the fronts of the video. See how they come out like that in a cardboard tube. Be another front. Then you get some replacement strips, soft and flexy. They throw in some of these like cheaper. I haven't actually tried them. I just used demineralised water, but they throw in these windscreen cleaner things. And there's a rear wiper. Right, I think that's about it. So nothing else in there. There's a couple more. Here we are. There's just a. So I've got 3 of these. They're little tablets you drop in your washer bottle to give you some washer fluid rather than liquid concentrate. Anyway, you can see that's the profile they use. Pretty standard basic wiper blade. I imagine they get this in a pretty big roll. Here's a rear wiper. This is for my Tiguan. Oops, try and keep those out of the dirt. Here's a rear wiper. Rear wiper, I'm not sure if that's replaceable like the fronts. The fronts are replaceable ones, so I don't know if the rears are. Anyway, here's one of their beam blades. There's a little Jenok logo printed on there. And so these are just designed with a little clip. You can see the mechanism in there, so you can unclip them and slide them off and put a new wiper rubber in. Unlike the factory ones that are like metal crimps, or the Bosch ones or whatever. I've got Bosch ones on there at the moment, so we'll see how these go. Anyway, this looks like it's probably the longer of the 2, is it? That's the pair. Here we are. This looks like the longer one, so it'll be on the driver's side over here. And just rest that down very carefully on my paint work there, so I can get a better view. Yeah, so this should be the driver's side. Just press the slide out the old one, which is a Bosch, just the Bosch Aero Twin. You can see it's pretty similar, but main difference is that it's not intended to have the tip set off, so you can kind of fiddle around and get them off, but it's not great. And I don't trust them, to be honest. At least these ones are designed for it. So slot a new one in. You can see this is an Aero Twin that's been on there for a while. It's a pretty good match lengthwise there, up and down. Like I said, there should be branding on it, but yeah, there it is. You can see the old one was a Bosch Aero Twin. So do the same thing there. Put the other new wiper on. There we go. And I'll do the rear. Just come around here. I've got a light in here so you can see what's going on. hopefully. Just I'll just use the battery. There we go, ignition's on. And so it's fairly clean light. No, oops, sorry, too much zoom there. No streaking. So, pretty good. Windscreen's a bit dirty, though I wiped it. Did run the wipers just before. So, pretty quiet. Yeah, they've been good so far. Had them for about 3 or 4 months on the other car, so I just thought I'd show you what you get in the box. Sweet as.